Okay, here on number 4, we have a 15-foot ladder, so that's constant, right? 15 feet. And the sliding down the wall at a rate of 2 feet per second, so -2 in the y direction. Okay, at what rate in radians per second is the angle changing? So this is our angle between the bottom of the ladder and the ground at the instant that the ladder is 9 feet. Okay, so think about what's changing. The opposite side of our angle is changing. So if the opposite side is changing and we have the hypotenuse, we're going to have a sine as our trig relationship here. So we have a sine equation to begin with because you know the hypotenuse and y, the opposite side, has the rate of change. So when we differentiate this with respect to time, the derivative of sine is cosine d theta dt equals 1 over 15 dy dt. Okay, which is good. We know dy dt, right? That's -2. So I can replace dy dt with -2. And now I need to figure out what my cosine is. So for my cosine, I'm going to come to my triangle again. I know that the opposite side, adjacent side, is 9. So the cosine of my angle should be 9 over 15. The adjacent side over the hypotenuse. Okay, so we're going to plug in a 9 over 15 here. And now, in order to get rid of my 9 over 15, I'm going to multiply both sides. So 15 over 9, right, is when I multiply by the reciprocal. So let's see what happens. This 15 and the 15 divide out, and I get a -2 over 9 as my rate of change of my angle, which is right here, option A.